Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 92 plus OVR MLS player how to claim final rewards of MLS playoffs challenge in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by go to the MLS event. This is the Major League Soccer. You can play these daily matches to unlock daily rewards and gain progression for milestones. So you can play each match and skill games once per day. This is the skill game. You can earn MLS token. And let's jump into second chapter, MLS playoffs. In this MLS playoff, you replay previous year's MLS playoff, play a MLS Cup refresh every week. So complete quest to earn reward. So you have to challenge yourself in this MLS Cup. You can pick your favorite team to play in this MLS Cup. So for example, you can challenge a Houston, this one, and go through the finals. And of course, in the Eastern Conference, you can choose your opponent as Cincinnati and proceed into the finals. After that, you can win the MLS Cup. So total matches is 6 matches, so you can claim the first task. Win 6 matches, you can claim MLS Ultra Pack 1 pack. Let's claim it. Tap to open. Let's see, we got UCL player from Croatia. Center midfielder play for Sevilla. We got Rakitic. Good. And it is the other players from Ultra Pack. Let's tap continue. And the second task is acquire 5 MLS best pack. You can acquire this MLS best pack from the first chapter. This one, not from the store, but you can acquire MLS best pack from this milestone in the main chapter. You need 8 token to open this MLS best pack, so you can earn token from daily matches and skill games. Let's get back to the MLS playoffs. And the last one is play 3 matches in the era chapter. This is the era chapter. You can play these 3 games: Stoikov, Matthews, and Donovan. After that, you can complete all the tasks and you can choose one of the reward here. The first reward is MLS player 92 until 97. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. The second is also MLS player 90 until 97. And the third reward is Mascherano. He is part of universal rank player. You can rank up your player, use this Mascherano. So good luck, challenge yourself in this MLS playoff challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.